Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable or disable the icon preview on your MacBook. Okay, so for this guys, you need to open the Finder on your MacBook, and here you can get the more option, top down menu option. Just click and open it like this, and here guys you can get the option show view option. Just click and open that option, okay, like this. And here guys you can get the box show icon preview. From here you can easily able to enable and disable the icon preview on your MacBook. As you can see guys, if you want to enable it, just you need to check this box, and if you want to disable it, just you need to uncheck that box. That's it, very simple. Okay, so that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.